What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a form of a computer program known as a language model. It's a cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Think of it as a highly advanced chatbot that can engage in conversations, answer questions, and even create content that feels like it was written by a person. Its capabilities stem from a vast database of information it has been trained on, allowing it to cover a wide range of topics and styles. What sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to learn from interactions, making it an invaluable asset for professionals across various fields. Whether you're looking to draft emails, generate reports, or even come up with creative content, ChatGPT can handle these tasks with surprising efficiency and accuracy. Consider ChatGPT as a virtual assistant that's not only incredibly smart, but also understands the nuances of human language, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and creativity, and it's ready to assist both individuals and businesses in numerous capacities. It's capable of engaging in dialogue with customers, crafting articles or blog posts, toggling between languages, organizing schedules, addressing routine inquiries, and even supporting educational endeavors. Its capability to operate tirelessly around the clock means it can shoulder the burden of monotonous tasks, allowing humans to dedicate their energies to more inventive and intricate issues. However, the path with ChatGPT is not without its obstacles. While it excels at generating text that convincingly mimics human output, there are moments when it might stumble, delivering content that doesn't quite hit the mark. This occurs because ChatGPT operates on a sophisticated algorithm that predicts text based on learned patterns rather than truly understanding the content. Moreover, there are challenges related to copyright issues, as it might unintentionally produce content that closely resembles its training sources. It's essential to approach ChatGPT with an awareness of its inherent imperfections. Like any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Our goal in this course is to help you navigate these waters, maximizing the benefits of ChatGPT while minimizing its pitfalls. We aim to demystify the complexities of this technology, making it as understandable as possible. In addition to these considerations, users should be mindful of the ethical implications of using AI-generated content. Ensuring the originality of your work and respecting intellectual property rights are paramount. Furthermore, while ChatGPT can provide information and generate content on a wide range of topics, it's crucial to verify the accuracy of critical information through reputable sources, especially in fields requiring up-to-date and precise data. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Its value lies in its ability to assist, inspire, and expedite the creative and analytical processes. By understanding its limitations and learning to use it effectively, you can harness its power to achieve remarkable outcomes. For professionals, integrating ChatGPT into your workflow can significantly streamline operations. It will provide insights that might not be immediately apparent. Its versatility and ease of use make it accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, ensuring that even complex ideas are easy to grasp and apply in real-world scenarios. Let's get started. For immediate access to the full course and to start transforming your skills today, click the link in the description below and enroll now, or visit online.mycabsolutions.com.